Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go offline on Ubisoft Connect. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Ubisoft Connect dashboard. Depending on your device or platform, hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on your profile icon. Once you click on the profile, you will see your current online status. You don't have to do anything else, just click on the green icon next to your status. You will have 4 options: Do Not Disturb, Away, Invisible, and Online. Do Not Disturb means you won't get any notifications, but people will still see you. Away means you will still get all notifications, and your currently played game will be visible to other players, especially your friends on Ubisoft. To go offline, click on Invisible. This will make you appear offline on Ubisoft Connect, though you will still have the option to chat with your friends if you want. You will appear offline to others without many people knowing, which means you can still play online multiplayer games, interact socially, and access certain online services while appearing offline. Consider the implications based on your preferences and the type of gaming experience you seek before deciding to go offline. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.